Ayan, live na tayo. Hello guys! You know that I'm very pretty right now. I am going to share with you guys my secrets for my face. Look at that. Diba? It's very cool. So, i-share ko sa inyo na moisturizer ko. I've been using this for so long. That's why my face is very interesting. Mag-check out kayo guys because look at that. My face is very amazing, very brightened. So I've been using this for 3 months and very effective. So you need to do is to just put this on your on your face. Wait. Oh, ayan na siya. So you need to put it here. Oh, that's very nice. Huwag mo nga lukuhin mga tao. Ano ba? Nakikita naman sa camera ang mukha mo dyan, no? Para ka namang tanga. Tingnan mo, oh. Nakikita ka naman sa camera, hindi naman maganda ang mukha mo eh. Nakikita lang yung mga pikas-pikas mo dyan. Tapos sasabihin mo sa mga tao, it's very effective. Hayop ka, pinapalamon kita. Alam mo na, nahahanap buhay ako. Gago.